I'm Devika. I'm part of Abhyudaya. Okay. This journey has been really very, very truly enriching, is what I can tell you all. And this wonderful journey started with my visit to the exposure visit, which the Harona team organizer, Prakasha team organized a visit to SVYN. It was wonderful. I That is what I can tell you. Our first impression is because we visited a school. The infrastructure of the school, a tribal school, is way better than the one of the top residential school. They have much better infrastructure than what is there, which is called one of the top schools. And what is the learning I got from that school visit, or SBYM overall to this visit, is the impactful work they have done in the field of health, education, and livelihood, right? How they have worked to uplift this tribal community. I started continuously attending the project management and the legal and compliance, labor and compliance is what you call it, right? Compliance sessions and the experience what I had are the learning. First thing I would like to tell and thank the SMEs who taught us, who made me take a stop. That is because I'm a strong believer, or even in my career journey, I learned learn, unlearn, and relearn. Right? That's exactly what happened with the project management. I am a certified PMD professional. I would say work managed project in an IT sector for almost 20 years. But trust me, the learning I got in this experience, it is like they say, every project is unique, and what you have learned. And what you have to unlearn and to adapt the and what I have to relearn to adapt that to NGO programs is what I learned from these sessions. And I'm really very grateful to the subject matter experts of project management and the activities they provided us to work on it. It is very the challenge I found there is it was all in my mind when they asked me to put it on the activity sheet. Trust me, the exercise was not that easy, so the practice really makes us perfect, right? That is why it is very important. And the third session what I attended is the labor and compliance, where I came to these sessions with a zero knowledge. I had no knowledge about what is compliance, and how I got a complete understanding of what is required for we to know when we associate with and work with the stakeholders of an NGO. Right? I would like to thank each and everyone here for this wonderful journey. I actually want to continue with this journey because learning is like like oxygen in our life.